The bulldozer puncher, you know? Yeah. Oh, the driver is going to patch it, all right? And make it run again freely. All right. As you can see, a part of the wheel here is out. You know, it is puncher. All right? Yes, my viewers. I have to use a come along on it right now. See what's going on? Alright, my viewers, we get some grease, you know. Are the tension how they get grease?
Yeah, I pump him up now.
Oh.
Patch him and I pump him.
Welcome to Jamaica Farmers Hut, exploring the future farmers of Jamaica. It's all about farming.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, as you can see, the bulldozer puncher, you know? Yeah, the bulldozer puncher. So just stick around, I'm going to show you what's going on. Oh, the driver is going to patch it, all right? And make it run again freely, all right? Take in the driver, you know, do some patching. As you can see, a part of the wheel here is out. You know, it is puncher, all right? So, yeah, man. Yeah, man. Have the driver come here, you know, sort out the patching. Yeah, you never know that a bulldozer could puncture. Yes, man. Yeah. My God. This is unique, viewers. To make sure everything is tight. Yeah. And the claw bar have to set it back. My God. Yes, my viewers. This part of the unique part, you know. Yeah. This part is the unique part. Can't drive it and can't service it, you know what I mean? Yeah. Oh my God. Whoa. Tell you about the metal wheels. Them punch a same way. Yes, sir. Yeah. All right. Yes. Time for the manpower now. All right. Yes, viewers, the one that well tight. So what is part of the wheel name now?
Truck, tensioner.
Okay. Hear that, my viewers? Yeah, man. The tensioner is a spring. Yeah. Patty, man. My God. Yeah, so, oh, that keep the wheel part here stiff. Yes. Yes, my viewers, you hear that? You want to learn something, don't it? Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, man.
Then he was bearing.
It have to. It have to. Something is spinning, so it have to use bearings. If you got a wheel, a bulldozer wheel, you know? It have to use bearings, man. So some more, as you can see, grease is all about, you know. It have to grease also. But when driving a unit like this, you have to can service it. You know what I mean? That is the most unique part of it. Yeah. Yeah, man. That is the manpower part. Have to put the strength on it, you know? Because this unit is so strong. God. Yeah. Alright. Alright. Everything is locked, right? Oh, time to pin up back the wheel now, my viewers. Come along. Yes, my viewers. I have to use a come along on it right now. Big yeah. Big operation I go on, my viewers. Big operation. Yes, man. Big operation going on here. As you can see. This is the next side of wheels. Yeah, but the other side is puncture, so driver is patching it up. Alright. Yeah, so after patching it up, he's gonna stabilize it back and time to get cracking. You know what I mean? So stick around to see what's coming next. Okay, it use a double battery, my viewers. Seems like it is 24 volt. Yeah. Alright, now my viewers, we have to use a come along now to do some drawing. Hold per pressure. Just a little tension, you know? Yeah. Yes, my viewers. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, this guy here is the second driver, you know. Yeah, man. Yes, second mechanic also. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, hook that part onto the tree now. Yes. Right. Keep the head part in place. Make a connection with the other end. One go through two part, one go back to here. Yes, my viewers, this is one part of the wheel. This is a part of the wheel, eh? This is one of the link of the wheel. Yeah? As you can see. Yeah, my viewers, line up to come along to do some pulling. Yes, my viewers, so this tree here is a promenter tree, as you can see. Yeah, man, promenter. So if you have the leaf or you have the seed, you can put it on your meat, you know, before you put it on the grill. Yes, yes, even the wine, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man. Call it promenter wine?
Yeah, man.
Alright. You know that viewers?
Fine wine, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
The wine, you know?
For real, for real.
Nice.
For real, man.
Pure on it, you know?
Yeah. Oh yes, it can even the sorrel, the seed can cure. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, man, for real. Natural plant. Let's give you a memento. Man, the come along is working. Only for pulling out.
You can take the chain back already on.
The chain behind
The
it.
chain behind you can't catch it.
See if you can catch the chain.
Oh.
Yeah, me viewers. 5 inch more. Yeah man, put him at this part of the wheel here. Me viewers. Come on. This is the bulldozer, you know. Yeah. And have the bad strong machine. Yeah. Give you a nice view of it. Yeah, that is it. That is it, my viewers. Yes, my viewers. That is the bulldozer. Yeah, man. Don't know, it's all about a puncher. Tyre, so driver sort it out. Let's go back, show you guys what's going on. Alright.
Now, you make it
Now run, man.
Nah, you know come out, man.
Now run, man. You know come out, you know.
You make it go fast. Yeah,
I run off, man. I come along, what you know, on the road. That's all, you know, brother. Yeah, man. It's the whole time, you know. Yeah, pressure take it. Yeah, man, pressure take it, man.
You can go in night, you can go down the
Like you want. You can't go na last hook. Last.
You make it, well, I miss it.
It's near.
Miss it, more than.
It's near at the edge. Alright, my viewers, it's all about pulling up now.
Push over. No, man. Wait, look, when you come from get over.
Yeah. Alright, my viewers, as you can see.
Oh, so what?
Alright, it fly out.
Mm-hmm.
Can it try in chain?
I will put on a bump on it.
I put a tire on it. Come on, put a tire on it, see what I go on with it. Alright, my viewers, I'm going to show you a next view from the next side. Yeah, man, it's all about Jamaica and a patois we chat. So I say, chat patois. I go up on the next side to show you what they go on. See? Show you the front of it. This is the front of it. Alright. I go up on the next side to show you my viewers what I go on. That one is a bridge in the ground, easy. Easy, my bridge, easy. I'm bridging that on the security. Alright. I'm going to show you what's going on with the link here. Setting back the link in place. Oh, there's an next part over here. Okay. So as you can see, my viewers, it is out of place. So the come along is going to draw it back to get it on tension. Because this is the tension of our job. Yeah. So the come along is going to draw it up back on the wheel. As you can see, it leave the wheel. Alright? Yeah. It's all about the metal wheel. Everything here is metal. Worked by hydraulics. Yeah, worked by hydraulics. Hydraulic system. Very powerful and strong. Alright, my viewers? Yeah? Alright. Yeah. To do it at each to pull it back to the back. Yeah. Yes, my viewers. A spanner or something.
Ever?
Eh.
Gonna say on screwdriver. Right, the red is going to see this. Where down the screwdriver.
Okay, right down the screwdriver. Hit this, my viewers. One to this. Yeah, man. Yes, my viewers. Yeah, man. Once you're up on the work site, you have to do something, you know. Seeing. So it's set up. Check out the engine. This is the bulldozer engine. Alright, this is the fan. This is a fan that cool the radiator. Don't know if it is water inside there or it is, you know, something else, but this is the radiator fan. Alright, the engine is very big. Yeah. Alright. So I'm about to planning to draw back this wheel. Put it back in tension. Yeah, here's the tensioner. Alright. See. Alright, my viewers, stick around for the wheel. Pulling off the wheel, alright? Yeah, man, get a tire and put the screwdriver through. No, through here anyway you have now. Oh. Watch the screwdriver to make it run out. Or turn the other way. Yeah, that's the can drop out. Alright, my viewers. See what's coming now. Notice how the wheel is up and down. And there's a space here. Alright, stick and stay. It's time for the come along to pull. What is going on? Oh, alright. Alright, my viewers, look what's going on now. Give you a steady hold on the camera so you can see what's going on. See what's going on? Yes, my viewers. Easy. How white though? Yeah, dry it off the way there. I get closer to the back. Make it go over the bump.
Yeah. Then it's a come down.
When you come, you go over it, you will have more ease. Have a easier run. See if you can drop back in the groove. Yes, my viewers, this is the work. This is the work that I wrong with that? Yeah. Yeah, price it up. Yeah. Wow. Yes, my viewers, see what's going on? Yeah. Can't push over. Can't push over and I go. Hold on. When you go up. Go and go up some more. I had a groove, I had a hen, you know. Yes, my viewers, this is what's going on inside here.
Dry some more. Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah. You make a move there now. Hold on.
don't make that one.
Mm-hmm. And the other end one over there, so you know, down in the middle groove. Yeah.
Yeah.
Could be if you lift up the front, put the board underneath
Yeah,
it,
so.
and then you touch the other piece. Easy. Easy. Slide it, slide, you know, yeah, like grease upon it. Just slide. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Right hand target. Yes, make it higher. Right. Put your board on top of that.
No,
on top of your board. Yeah. Yeah. Want a little bit more touch. Just slide little. Come on, the hand part, I don't want to go. But if this one go up on the tubes about it, more higher.
Yeah, you have to ride it like a part.
Yeah. Take time. I just get the space to push it underneath there. Don't make the next piece drop out.
Come push your feet, make him balance.
Hold on.
You push your feet and make him balance.
Yeah, man. Come.
Ready?
Little bit more.
Yeah.
Again.
Lean it, fatty.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Yeah.
You good.
All right.
Yes.
All right. All right. I just a little bit more want to go up now, you know.
Yeah.
The catch the other back, the back groove.
We have to get like a dry up from up. Go and dry up here. This like it.
That have to help. Tongue piece there in front, they have to help. Just my brain I use. And alright, see, you go over, push it. If you push it, go over, you know.
Yeah.
Push it, go over in the groove. See, they higher than the groove, you know. So, yeah, push it over now and you go in the groove. Yeah?
Oh.
Yeah?
Go on again.
One more time. One more time. Yeah.
Alright.
In the groove. The both them can't come out now.
No.
I make it like in the groove. Right. Perfectly, man.
Give me 2 drop on it.
Perfect. Yeah, you have to guide this so that's not come back.
Hold on. As I'm take your side, we make dry.
Yes. You go draw off.
When I bunny back, no matter get better.
Yeah, man.
No, get out here.
Other way. Other way. Yeah. Yes. Yes, with yours, as you can see, wheel is moving. Easy. Yes, my viewers, this is the closing part of the wheel. Just watch finger.
Give me next
Put
bar.
it above the train.
You know, but just put enough. Table foot.
Come here, some have more than I will take up this.
That could have go.
One half back there.
Easy.
One.
Just a little bit. Yeah.
Alright. Now we're about that one. Now we're about that one. Quick it.
Just get that in a ear.
Yeah, man. You good.
Yeah, get that in a ear.
Drawing back now.
Wait a go. Oh. Yes, my viewers. You remember the space here? You notice the space is gone? And the wheel is moving? Alright, yeah. The time for the tensioner to work now. Yeah.
Yo, thing come.
Alright. It's time to close up the link now.
Watch your foot on this.
Yeah. Now we can come back to you.
Alright. Run back this little bit. Either way. One. Right.
Easy. That's it.
Drawing back now.
Alright, my viewers. Just see how the thing lock up.
Drawing back.
All those grooves.
Drawing back.
Yeah, right into grooves. Right into play. Right into play and close up.
Right.
Yes, my viewers. You notice how it close up groove by groove?
No, don't put your hand in. No,
Don't put your finger
go.
on it.
Hold it here.
It have some bolt?
Yeah, man.
Where then? Oh, you have them.
Setting first.
Okay. 40 years me I do mechanic working, so I can't know it.
Keyboard.
Oh, yes, my viewers are the bolt them that enough for hold it.
Just put in that. We'll put on the plate, but I put on the bolt them first. Go on, put in the bolt in it.
Right, my viewers, line up bolt them first.
Drying a little bit more. Drying this little bit more.
Drying out the train, come on. Hey! And them groove they have to close up.
Go on.
Them groove they have to close up. One more.
Alright, what did that, sir?
Yes, them groove there. Right, that's so.
Catch him and
have to close up.
See if he catch for us.
Yeah.
You like to catch? Eh? Alright, hold on. Take it up back. Take it up back, your bum. Take it up back now.
Alright, plate don't go on top of it now. Yeah, and then catch your boat them.
You know, line up here.
Yes, you have to line up first. 40 years me not this brother. I want you, brother.
Plate back here then now.
Yes, he plate here. On the food plate, you know. And the wheel plate.
Drop it down and you have to shift me on, you know.
Yeah, just take time.
Turn you over.
Turn you over, yeah.
See your way.
Right.
Time.
Take time.
Shift you out of groove, you know.
Okay, come out of groove.
Line up the wall.
Line up the wall, them.
No, man. Yes, come to me, look. What's up with you and look? Take your time.
You just want to catch two, you know.
Oh, so they sit there.
Yeah, catch you back one.
Wind them.
Yes, viewers. Wind them in now, yo. That's it, viewers. You catch attention. Oh, big spanner there. Yeah, they're there first. And there's a lot of first who go watch it now first.
Wind him down.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Watch your feet, man. Yeah, man. Yes. My viewers. Yes, my viewers. Right, my viewers. All of the hard work gone through, so time now for tighten up back. Yeah. Yes, my viewers. Take time talk, yo. Wonders.
Yeah. Wonders.
Yeah, man, wonders, man. Come never witness this before, you know. Yeah.
We never witness it.
Jano.
True. First.
If you don't know why you can't do it, you know.
Yeah, true.
I take a whole day.
True.
You come pull out the Friday like in 5 minutes. But then the moment I look me pull out and go on with it.
Yeah. You got some man get used to it.
It take me 5 minutes to come
Yeah.
out the Friday. Don't have to touch the rain come down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But me I say a 3 chuck or 4 missing.
Eh,
You see it and I say, you know,
you got some man.
I don't want.
My God. For real. So, Crampy, how long you have been driving them thing here?
Years, you know.
Years. My God, you can't count. My God, I tell you, man. For real, man.
All of them I can't think of.
Yeah.
I should have asked you, Campy,
Drive you and fix
put
it.
on a black oil. They want to come out of transmission there.
Engine, I know, I know. I'm going to get some from in a week.
Eh, Bobby.
Yeah.
You say Bobby himself, I'm going to check.
Bobby, engine.
Truck one, isn't it?
Yeah, man.
More for drop them key. I know the oil to put in a-
Nice, sir.
Yeah,
I they come a little one of them in the back like a mother come in me. And I give it, you know. Yeah, me I want to get the one me check out me don't me no use it when I want something here so. But me that carry go. Two mama me carry come give.
Yeah.
Two mama me carry come give.
Don't
Eh?
get there.
No, he left out of me yard gate there. Two mama me carry come back.
I get it too.
Yeah, man. Me don't have to come because you carry come me want to retrieve.
Yeah.
I know I want I chain you, but still, you know, one of my guys a good idea, you know. Looking at this one, for one, then I decide it.
Yeah,
Don't
man.
tell you yourself, I don't chain it, clag up the pump hole, you know, but you can use it, but not continue with it.
No, man. Sometimes I mix it.
Yes, that, it's a kit
Yeah,
in my
man.
back.
Come with the one there.
It's a kit in my back, so that's already.
Suck it inside there, so.
I know I say I pump in there, man. Sometimes I mix
Yes.
it. And sometimes I will get the
Get it
two
clean,
spots and
clean,
the clean one and
Yeah,
throw it.
clean
Powerhouse.
engineer can do it.
This me people.
Clean engineer can do it. But you can let go back that thing, you know.
Come along, can let go in a fatty.
But you go back when it's 1 to 5 round, let me drop on it. Come along, can let go, man, in gum, in position. Yeah, 1 to 5 right there. What me do? Then see the water jug there.
Oh, take time talk, yeah, man. A side, come and see one part of the wheel going with yours. And see it, going back together. It goes so hard. Ah, yes, that's true. Come here, see how much come out. So.
Alright, we are saying 3 chuck. We are saying this. And I want.
I want to come out. Yeah, man, that's true, man.
Me I say a 3 chuck. Me say me see.
My God. I have to know the work, yeah, sir. Yeah. Yes, my viewers.
Come on, name is the road.
Yeah, man. The wheel ready again.
Alright, viewers, want to hear you start up.
Yeah. Ease the tension off to come along. Oh, yeah, and dry it.
You got that and you pump in around even with it.
Yes, me understand. You understand? So that drawing line.
Yes, drawing line.
Me understand.
You don't want to start here.
Yeah. Chano. Yes, I. Yeah, man. You know your work, yeah, sir. Yes, I. And some.
Somebody else have to be here to go pay them a bag of money.
You see, any unit to drive, you must can service it.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Any unit at all you drive, you have to can service it, make no sense. Just like a man who have a sound, if you don't know nothing about the sound, it don't make no sense.
That when cost you all the while.
Yeah.
I will only fuse boy, I'll call one man.
Simple.
And tell you this.
Simple.
Yeah,
Sometimes I even when I want to go but
Come
move.
with the great and I go.
Look for wire.
Yeah. I think a joke.
Yeah. No, that don't go back in a me pan in a desk. No, it's seal now go. You keep the seal there, so next pair seal. Yeah, just make them into this. You keep the next pair seal with this.
Yes, I. This wheel have a well tighten up strong.
Yeah, put them in that. Put the seal in that also. No, give me a. I have to put them.
Yes, I.
Thank you if I don't go on. I love it, just cut it down like you did, and fall the big tree when you drop on the bottom side, and make it get done like just fall the big tree that came with. See that going on the land? Just don't move them, burn them.
But burn them, yeah.
Yeah,
So every corner you have a burn.
Get it out, you can burn it and clear it.
Yeah, my viewers.
And when you don't know this, fall the tree down to the pumpkin.
Yes, my viewers. Yeah, man, the pan good if it's full of water, if you water the plant, you know. Eh? What you say?
Try them fish. You can sketch and fry.
Me mind you tell me some fish were in there, you know. I call them spread the guava tree them, man. Yes, my viewers are the wheel at a rock, you know. Yeah. Yes, I.
That you them kill them, you know. Yeah, man, they're right away.
Coconut root, tree kill them. Tree them grow too taller than them.
That are native coconut, you know.
Oh, yeah, them delicate.
Yeah, them delicate.
Yeah.
But kill children, they cut that in like plane when they take come at the
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
and
Yeah, man.
spray on
Yeah,
like,
man.
kill out St. Mary too, you know, the spray and the plane, you know.
Yeah.
Kill out the whole of St. Mary to blood. Like, then they spray banana and kill it.
Anki,
And when you let it go now, you just take it.
yeah, man, it's circle everywhere. Yeah, tension on it. Alright, my viewers, this was the repairing of the bulldozer. Alright? Come on, the repairing of the bulldozer. So the bulldozer is up now. Already? It's all about time to get it cracking. You know what I mean? Do some more work on the land here. Yes, I. Yes, my viewers. Yes, my viewers. Yes, my viewers. Yes, my viewers. This is the next side of wheel. You know what I mean? Yeah. I think this is an extension. An extension under here. To tension this wheel here. But as you can see, there's a whole heap of thing inside of the wheel here. You know what I mean? There's a whole type of something inside of the wheel here. Yeah, don't make sense to clean it because it's going to go right back. So yes, my viewers, this is the repairing of the bulldozer. Alright? Stick around to see what's coming next. Alright, if you want to watch the next video, you can watch this one here. Or if not, go and watch this one over here. My name is Everslick. Peace. Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. I'm out. Alright, my viewers, you get some grease, you know. Are the tension how they get grease?
Yeah, pump him up now.
Oh.
Patch him and a pump him. Oh.
The tension and hold the grease, hold the tension on. Okay.
Yes, okay.
I'm that, Tima.
Rock it on your hand, set good here.
Yeah, hold it down.
Yeah.
Okay. Keep the right in. You in the fatty?
No, keep the fatty, you know, hold the fatty.
You in the fatty?
Man.
It's sweet?
It's sick, man.
Hold it right
Yes,
in
man.
fatty.
Feel it, man. The pump, man.
Yes, I.
I'll full up back in your house, you know.
Oh, with the grease.
Before you move.
Okay. You hear that, my viewers? The tension, I watch the grease. Full?
No, man.
Oh.
I don't move this. Hold it.
Okay.
Hold on, get in next time put that gun and watch you do it. Get in next two bag.
I'm putting it.
Yeah, that one that go. See that one.
That's so I can get it for use again. Yes, I. So the grease is gonna in control of the tensioner. So when the grease go inside there, yeah, the wheel is gonna get more stiffer because the tensioner is gonna be active. Yeah. You have to hold him down. Hold him down tight. Yeah. Pumping some more. Okay.
Oh, you want me to chop me around in the first? You want me to chop me around? Go back and come along here. Make it easier.
Ah. But yeah.
Just come along alone, man.
Just come along alone. Okay. Oh, push out. Yeah. Okay, because me see when it a dry, you when dry in. Okay. Pot up, yeah. Easier, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, my viewers, we're gonna pull out the tension automatically by manually with the come along so the grease can go in more freely. Yeah?
Come back with that. Yeah.
Yes, man.
I'm bad pattern right here. Yeah.
So yes, my viewers, this is the tensioner. So in here you have to have the grease. Yeah. Work with the grease to push the wheel forward. That the line here is straight. You know? As you can see, the belly inside it hang down. Yeah. So when the tensioner is working here, it's very straight. Yeah, my viewers. This is how the bulldozer wheel works. Yeah. Yeah, man. Put some tension on him now. So as you can see, we're gonna pull out the front wheel so that the line here is very straight. The train, yeah. Alright, my viewers, look now. Keep moving. And look here. Notice that?
So that the sitting there strong.
It's going up. Alright, come along. That pull on all three now, man. Come along, pull on all three, man. Yes.
Hold on now.
Alright.
Come we pumping now.
Yeah, you can't take it much freely, you know?
Come now, come pump down good. Not going back.
Yeah.
Bang. Take it now. Yeah, come. Feel like I get stroke? Huh?
Not yet.
Right. Like so here clog.
Yeah.
Hey. Yeah, man, you feel stiff then on show?
Yeah.
And tight.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Like you come.
You get slack up back.
One again.
Yeah.
Or then load it.
Yeah, man, yeah, here in there. They're not putting enough in there. You think that easy?
Don't put it on the one I say it.
Alright, just like a gas station. Yeah, man, I hear you get better.
One.
Yeah.
One.
Watch it.
Then maybe start load even though you see this a move right.
Oh yeah, tension.
When you full up in the middle, you know?
Yeah.
You don't know what I mean by that. Is it?
Making somebody up there.
Yeah.
From here, so you know, up to Warriors, to say, I must see my manga, out near manga, even the shop there.
Guess what? Alright. Take him out.
Yeah, I think I put mine out. I'm moving your slap back in a year, and I can move it and drive.
Yeah.
So I'm making work out instead.
Oh.
Work out here.
Yes, this is how we service the wheel of the bulldozer. Yeah, man. Give him some more grease in the tensioner. Yeah. Yeah. Tiger run. I run Tiger. Yes, my viewers, it's all about the tensioner. Tensioner ready so the driver go see what he can do, you know? Or start it, see if he can get the tensioner, electronics up, you know? And see how it's stiff. If it's too stiff or it is too slack. So yeah man. Driver nice up the radiator, you know? With some food. You don't know? Everything have to eat, you know. Yeah man. The driver the nice up the radiator with some food. Then I'll give it a start. Yeah, I'll give it a start. Rack up the tension back and forth and make sure see if it's too stiff or it's too slack. You understand? Yeah man. It's all about servicing the backhoe. You know? Yeah man. Real higher. Yeah. Cool. Yes, yes. Oh, it have a little tension on it. Okay, if it's too stiff, you can't rock it. You hear that, my viewers? Can't too stiff, you know, and it can't too slack. You have to just have it at a normal tension. Alright? Yeah, man. It's all about. Yeah, gallon and a half of water. Because I don't know water did inside there. Just full up your back. Yeah? This is what push all the trees, them, everything, dirt and everybody out of the way. Alright? Yeah. Oh, you take that off after you're done drive, now you lock it back. Cover him up back. Yes, sir, that's water not going on in the engine there. My God. Tell you not, yeah. Alright, just get it this out because I think I'm going to go drive it and check out them places. Yeah. So stick around, my viewers. I'm going to go do some little driving. Yeah, you understand? For 40 years, I do this, you know. Yeah? Come on. Alright. So go inside. You need a little rack up. Well, this unit don't have a steering, you know. It have 2 levers for the steering. That's what you do with the key, you know. Oh. Yes, I have on me here muffin now. Yeah. Yes, I. Boss have to check up all the levers then before start, you know. Wow. Alright. You see that, my viewers learn something. Yeah, I have to square him up, you know. Yeah. Alright, now go look for it if it's too stiff or it's too slack. Like it's stiff. Yeah? stiff, man. It's stiff. Yeah, it's stiff. Right. It's stiff, man. It's stiff. It looks stiff, man. You alright? Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. We just see it now. Yeah, man. It have a little belly now. Yeah. Yeah, man. See, it's the one the one there. Yeah, man. Me know. Me see it. The one that runs to hang down more. Show my viewers what they go on, how this one stay. Right, look on this one. Yeah, you notice? Look on this one. Yeah, it have a little belly. Alright. Yeah. A while ago. One took me with Shane. Day before yesterday. White maca in the poison, you know. One took me yesterday. Can you then healing oil me have to use? Yeah, man. Yes, my viewers. I'm show you inside of the unit. Yeah. Yes, I. Bulldozer ready again. Bulldozer up and working.